The alter table is to use to add, delete, or modify column in an existing table. Is also used to add the drop various constraints on an existing table. Here the syntax of alter table: add column. New query, use XY company 9. Alter table, employees, add email varchar to 55 and edit to top 200 rows. You can see the email, and that's it. Another syntax of drop column in alter table. New query, use XYZ company, in alter table, employees, and drop column email. And you can see the email has gone, and that's it.